Yeah, man, the man. Watch him. You know, long him say, I go give me a vacuum cleaner. I know me ask him feet, you know. And him pass me like him not see me much months now. I never have it on my mind still, you know. Him say, okay, give me. You know, I stand up right here, so I never not call no name. Yeah, man, Veteran TV, and watch, you know. Yeah, we don't know where that Blake Street down. Watch out. PA Master, you know. Check the PA Master Earl from Blake Street in portantonio. Jam. Ja. Yeah, you know, Veteran TV, sit down. Yes, sir. I go and hold a met and I wait for me youth them. William Street. One of the richest streets in portantonio. Man. Watch me artist just walk up on me too. You know me there I do a little one film in me artist. Yeah, original soupy. Oh, mad. Eat the Blake Street. So it stay down here. Small little piece of portantonio me a go in the morning. Yeah. Yo, get a white one for me, man. So you go so far, I go virgin. Go right there, son of daddy. What you do? Alright, respect. Alright, so you know what?
I mean, I have no pay.
You're general. I like how you check me. My artist, big up here. What you mean? Veteran TV.
Yeah, but the 29, this was the 29, next month.
No, I want to go on the 29. Make me know. Make me know.
Yeah, man.
Tell me. Want to go on the 29? As a show.
Yeah, man, up the valley there.
Up in the valley?
Yeah, I think I drove fish tomorrow.
Alright.
Go and go hold the cigarette.
Man, I go hold the cigarette and forward. Yeah, man. You are going there? Alright. Veteran TV. Mostly. Yeah. Krishna that here. William Street to the world. Sweet, hey.
And I'm on my way. Begging you.
Portantonio, Jamaica to the world. I'm a good piece of William Street, you see?